Hi everybody, I'm Andrea from Last Day's Garage, and as you can see I'm dressed in my wrench maid's outfit because we're going to be working on our 1983 Saab. So one of the problems that plagues these old Saabs are the fuel lines. They're made of brachium unobtanium, which means they break really easy and you can't find them anywhere, which Sean found out while he was replacing a heater hose. He bumped it and it cracked.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Rats.
Sometimes life can be bittersweet for you.
So Sean went over all the forums online and found that the older VWs use the exact same Bosch fuel injection system as our Saab. So we thought, why not? Let's go hit the junkyard. So we scoured the junkyard. We went up and down every single row. They were either the wrong year or they were all missing their fuel lines. So we're heads down, a little dejected. We were walking down the very last aisle of the junkyard, and there it is, a red Jetta with its fuel line still intact.
But it's a complete intact 16 valve GTI type engine, in this case GLI. Here we go, radio.
So this is the fuel distribution unit right here. And as you can see, the ones from the Jetta are the banjo style, and the originals are not. We were able to convert them over. However, as you can see, we had to do a little bit of contortion with these fuel lines because this is where they're supposed to go. So the junkyard lines got the car moving, and that was great. But we knew we couldn't leave it that way. So I did one last internet search and finally came up with a company called Saab in the UK. I thought for sure being over in the UK they were going to be very expensive, but I looked anyway. And lo and behold, they were only 82 pounds for all four lines and 17 pounds shipping, which was a whopping 99 pounds total, which in American dollars is only $129. We got brand new custom made fuel lines for less than somebody wanted used ones on eBay. And here they are. They come in all kinds of colors. They had red, orange, black, purple. I wanted purple, but I lost. We got the black ones. And they're very well made, and I'm really excited to get them on the car.
This job's about done. The last thing we need to do is neaten it up a little bit and throw some zip ties on there. So Miss Andrea.
Sean may have won about the black fuel lines, but I won the purple zip ties.
It's also idling at a rock steady 900 RPM. Looking good.